Hey everyone, this is Sugandha and you're watching Ready for SS English. I hope so you all are well and you all are waiting for my sessions. Today we would be discussing something very interesting and yes, first time, what are the skills required to have an internship? It could be an HR internship or any internship and I would be giving you three basic skills which you must have if you wanted to be an intern or if you wanted to excel as an intern or if you wanted to grow as an intern or if you wanted to have a good job, a good company job after your internship, right? So these are the three skills and make sure to subscribe this channel if you're watching me for the very first time and do hit that cute notification bell icon. Do hit that cute notification bell icon so that you could get my updates whenever new sessions will be uploaded. So first and the foremost is, yes, what is the first skill? That is team handling or teamwork. You might be thinking as a fresher, as an intern, why we have to handle the team. No, you don't have to handle a team on the very first day, but yes, you never know whenever you have to handle the team. So you must know how to handle the team and how to work in a team, which is very important. You will require at each and every stage of your job, or you can say on daily basis, this teamwork, because even if you are working on one day or you're working solely alone, then also you have to interact with someone, you have to report someone, and that is called as teamwork only. If you are with your self ego or attitude without any reason, then you won't be able to work with team, right? So this is how to behave, how to act, how to adjust with people. Now here adjustment doesn't mean you have to listen anything, you have to compromise, you have to sacrifice. I'm not talking about that. This is just a basic thing to hear someone, to listen someone, to have interaction, to have a communicative nature, not to be in a self ego or a self centered or always a selfish interest. You have to keep aside, yes, you have to keep aside your self ego, your selfishness, if you wanted to work as a professional. So I hope so I made it clear. Now second is adaptability, or you can say learning skills. Adaptability is basically adaptable to changes. Whatever is happening, you must be adaptable. You must be quick to accept it. You must be an initiator to accept the change, or you can be an initiator to do a change, to become a part of change. Try to learn everything about a workplace. Try to learn everything about your work. Now, everything is just a myth. You can't learn everything, but yes, you can try to know everything. You can try to learn lot of things, whatever is happening. Like if I give you an example of recruitment, there initially in initial stages, like an internship or any kind of training, if you're doing recruitment, then you might be provided with a list and you have to call 80 100 people on the daily basis, and you're just screening the resumes, 200 300 resumes, and then you are shortlisting them, and then you're doing pre-screening and you have to call them. So many interns or many trainees or many subscribers or followers text me or messages me that, ma'am, it's too boring and there's nothing new in it, we are doing this repeatedly. I just ask them one thing: why you're not adding some creativity to it? Why you are not changing the process of calling? Why you are not changing the process of making your database? Why you are not changing the way you screen the candidates, right? Why you're not improving your cold calling process? All these things are required when you would be stepping into a job. There you would be asking the same questions, but here, because you are thinking that this is unpaid or this is paid but very minimum amount is being paid to us, why to apply any creativity to our work, or why to apply creativity for companies work, which is a very wrong myth, because you are not giving them anything. They already have those things, they're just training you. And even if they are taking the work, then it's your own progress, your own learning, which nobody can take from you, right? Same as with MS Office, right? If you have to make any report in Excel or Word, what we are doing, we are just making that rigid kind of report. We are not making it to diagrams, pie charts, graphs, so that it looks presentable, because nobody's saying, nobody's guiding, and nobody's worried about making those reports into attractive one. So what we are doing, we are making simple sheets, and we are less concerned about learning new ways, learning new Excel commands, learning new Word commands, learning way of presentations, PPTs, right? So you must do this because internship is a time where you are relaxed, where you don't have where you can say that company is not having much expectation from you, much target expectations from you. So you have little, or you can say much, free time to implement new things to your learning. Fine. So implement new things for your learning. There are several ways to do it. You can explore, you can research. Fine. And last is, which I talk about several times, which I discuss on the very first point, but I skipped because if you would be listening that, you would be running that, you are repeating again same thing. So that is what? That is communication skills. That is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. If you're not able to read the CVs, if you're not able to read the reports, policies, how you will work? Same way, if you won't be able to write to the candidates, you won't be able to reply to the candidates, their emails, and you won't be able to draft the policies by writing, then how you would be working? Next is listening and speaking. Again, the same, you have to be communicative, so you have to listen and you have to speak. So this is a vicious circle, and for communication, I have given you various tips. Still, you feel that you require sessions on communication skills, so yes, I can give, but you have to write in the comment section. And yes, I would be solving these queries, and I would like to know what kind of sessions you wanted to see on this channel. Fine. I have other channel as well ready to get update. So if you are well versed in Hindi, or you're fluent in Hindi, then you can check the sessions from there as well. There are so many 200 plus sessions on HR, job interviews, job series. And if you want any of the sessions from those channel to be here, then also do tell me in the comment section, right? So I hope so this was beneficial. If it's helpful, please do let me know in the comment section. All the very best. Stay happy, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.